brother Bernie Oka of De La Salle University.
With him.
And of course, Father Enrique de Sagon of UST.
Rod Sambuang also from UST.
8-7, La Salle on top. Big that we're tied off that service error by the young Gumabao. 8-all, set number 3. Let's see if this can be the launch pad of UST. They've led, briefly in this game against La Salle, but they've been never able to hang on to a lead. Now, they inch up by 1, courtesy of the service ace by Ortiz. Shakey's fast serve. Shakey's It's Fun Family Pizza. Another poor first ball by La Salle. It's an easy over for the Lady Spikers. Panatikla soaring in and off the block. She scores. Happy birthday,
Yes.
Panatikla.
They get something out of this rod.
It's 10-8. UST on top. Let's listen to La Salle.
Concentrate tayo sa zone 1. Pagka nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon, wala nang receive. Takbo, gap, palit ka agad. Ha?
Again, very methodical to see Coach Ramil, no? Dalawa lang yung lamang. Right after a technical timeout, tawag agad just to make sure that he sets things right.
Yeah. Kumbaga, giving the remedy right away. Hindi pwedeng lumaking yung sugat.
That's true. The UST crowd coming alive. Caballejo to the other side. Back row hit by Maizo. UST well prepared for that drop shot. And Panatikla, 2 in a row for her as UST climbs up by 3, their biggest lead of the set.
Maru Panatikla once again trying to go in the middle, in between the two blockers. She's been doing that.
Poor first ball for La Salle. Great block, Hirotsuji and Dimakulangan. They win the joust too.
Oh, and again, Mercado just targeting the down the line area has been so successful, even without power, just an off-speed.
And sinabi yun ni Coach Ramil during the timeout zone 1 natin dalhin, ano? Oh, poor first ball for UST. Free ball for La Salle. Tough kneeling set for Esperanza as Mercado climbs the ladder and slams it home.
Nailing that one from the differential.
What a kill. You can see that on our instant replay brought to you by Shakey's It's Fun Family Pizza. La Salle within 1 and a service ace sends us to another deadlock in set number 3, 11-all.
So do UST players mistiming that serve by Maranio with the help of the net?
What a furious run by La Salle. They were down by 3 and look at where they are now. Another poor reception by UST ends up in a free ball for La Salle. The block by Dimakulangan on Alarca. You don't hear that very often. Sending it to zone 1 again. Here is Panatikla. Yes! What a play. Panatikla has come alive in set number 3.
Has been keeping this UST squad afloat here in this third set. A set that they have to win in order to continue on in this game. And it's the finals, Eric.
That's true. What a serve! An ace for the birthday girl. I guess that's the law of nature. If it's your birthday, you have to get lucky.
Served by Maru Panatikla.
Well, she sent it to the libero who Gohing has been struggling this entire season. Ranked very low as a receiver in the league, and that was sent wide by Alarca. Don't look now, Mosey. UST after getting, or La Salle after making a 3-0 run, USD with their own 3-0 run. They're up by 3, 14-11.
So Spricks, exchange of Now this is what USD needs at this point. Somebody to spark up Mix on their side.
Mosey, 2 service aces in 1 service session. That can only happen to somebody with a birthday, you know. And another poor reception there, almost an ace for Manatikla. Caballejo. Ooh, that's short, way short from our angle. We could see that.
And it was already a missed set, but still Caballejo went up in the air, wanting to do a cut shot.
But the damage was done. It's a 3-point lead for USD. Although very slim, and with the type of opponent like LaSalle, it's not even, you can't even call it safe. Caballejo off the blockers. What a hit. Redeeming herself off that error.
That's right. Judy Caballejo using the blockers of De La Salle to taking this point.
Smart move here. Sent it through the much taller Alarca, but got it to bounce out of bounds. 16-12, a 4-point lead for US.